Today, I will install Adobe Flash Player on Windows 11. And yes, you probably think it's impossible considering Edge no longer supports it, Windows 10 permanently disabled it with an update, and it also has a time bomb. The time bomb is not a problem. I will install a version without a time bomb, which will be in the description. I will be using the AX version made for IE and Edge Legacy. But wait, both browsers were discontinued and are no longer available. Well, the truth is that Internet Explorer still exists in Windows 11, but getting it to open is a challenge. You'll need to use PowerShell. The script will be included in the description. Now just watch in amazement as I open IE. As you can see, it still exists. Let's fix it a little bit because it looks kind of pale by default with all menus hidden. And also you can go to About Tabs, which is a nice homepage for Internet Explorer. But is Flash Player still installed since I could open IE? Let's go to this website isflashinstalled.com to check. Well, nope. Let's change that by running the installer from archive.org. And it doesn't want to work. Fortunately, I was able to fix it by choosing compatibility mode for Windows 7. You have to go to Properties, open the Compatibility tab and select Windows 7. Now the installer works. Wait for it to finish loading, and it's time to try it in IE. I don't want updates, no thank you. Let's quickly reopen IE with the commands in PowerShell and go to the website again. Now Flash is installed. To completely verify that fact, let's open a Flash game I have copied in this virtual machine. IE won't recognize .swf files, so I'll have to select all files and also allow ActiveX. As you can see, Flash is working in Windows 11. Thanks for watching, share with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe.